Hello class, good afternoon. So today let's deal with music. So our topic is music interval. So when you say interval, it is the distance from one note to another note as drawn on a musical staff. So just like here for prime interval. So for prime interval, there is only So the location of the 2 points is the same. So that is what we call prime interval. Next is second. So second is do, re. It means that there is two-step interval. So from do, you will start counting from do, then re. Next is the third interval, so do mi. So from do to mi, do, re, mi, three interval. Next is fourth, do fa. So do fa, do, re, mi, fa, fourth. So you will start counting from the location of the first note up to the location of the next note. So another is, look at your book on page 25, do sol 5. So do, re, mi, fa, sol. Next is do la, we have 6. Do, re, mi, fa, so, la. And next is 7. Do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti. And next is what we call octave or 8. Do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, do. So those are the different intervals in music. So we play or sing the interval of notes by means of singing them one after the other, which is called melodic interval. Notes with interval when played together is called harmonic interval. So the major intervals are present in major scales only. They are the second, third, sixth, and seventh, and perfect interval, which are the unisons of fourth, fifth, and octave. So here we have the unison. Next is the major interval 2, major interval 3, perfect interval 4, perfect interval 5, major interval 6, major interval 7, and octave. So how to spot music intervals? So in spotting music interval, even number intervals have one space note or one line note. So what are these even number intervals? 2, 4, 6, and 8. So they have one space note or one line note. So as you can see in M2, the other note is in line and the other note is on the space. The same with M4. The first note is in the line and the second note is on the space, and in M6, the first note is in the line and the second note is on the space. That is for even number intervals. Next is odd number intervals are either both space or both lines. So what are the odd numbers? Just like in 3, M3, both notes are on the line, the same on P5, both notes are on the line, and the same on M7, two notes are on the line. So that's the difference of even number intervals and odd number intervals. So in even, the other one is in the line and the other one is on the space. While in odd numbers, both notes are on the space or on the line. So these are the intervals starting from C. So minor 2, in minor 2, we just have 1/2 step. In major 2, which is the big M, we have 1 step. In minor 3 or minor third, we have 1 and 1/2. So you see the difference from major 2 to minor 3, 1 and 1/2. So next is the augmented fourth. So the augmented fourth or the TT has 3 steps. Next is perfect 4 has 2.5 step or P4. Perfect 5 has 3.5 step. So just count. Minor 6 has 4.5 steps, while minor 7 has 5.5 steps or 5 steps, and major 7 has 5.5 steps, and octave 6 or octave or P8 has 6 steps. So these are the illustrations on the piano keyboard. So small letter M for minor, big letter M for major, P for perfect, and TT for tritone. So for your activity, answer naming intervals, take a clear photo of your work, send it by a private message, deadline November 26.